back to Ravenwood Acres, and today I'm just going to do a short video about using my new Strongway chainsaw mill. I did look at the was it Granberg Alaskan sawmill, which is this kind of the standard in the industry. I don't know if they were the first, but they definitely have a well-known name, and the price difference wasn't that much, but at the time, and I did order this over a month ago, the availability was long. They're back order basically for the size that I was looking for. And we'll get into that in a second, but it's probably even worse now with the lumber prices the way they are. I'm not really in this, even though, you know, the title does kind of suggest that, but currently not in this to make, you know, building lumber. This maple big leaf maple that I cut down a while back was already partially dead and somewhat of a hazard, so I thought I might make some slabs out of it to sell or to use for projects around the homestead here. So yeah, the rail system you see there is like a no-name brand I got off of Amazon, and I'll throw in the prices because I don't recall that the rail system was quite a bit cheaper than some of the name brand ones, and as far as I can tell, they're probably the same. It's just extruded aluminum, you know, with square extruded aluminum, and then the little hold down spikes are steel, galvanized steel. So but we'll get into that a little bit. You saw there in the beginning, you know, me cutting this slab. I did the first cuts on this part of the tree here with the another tool that I'll throw in a clip of. That I got the idea for that one from Wrangler Star. If you're not a follower or subscriber, his channel, I highly recommend it, especially if you like homestead stuff. He's got a great channel here in Washington also. Yeah, the tool is kind of a cheap version, and it worked pretty good. It's pretty hard to make a good perfectly straight cut with it, but it works pretty well. So let's get into the details a little bit here and wrap this up. All right, so quick details on this. I don't want to go too much into it because I've only used this once, so you know, it's not going to be like a official review type video. But overall, great quality. It's made, like as I mentioned, by Strongway. They're carried through Northern Tool. I actually bought this through Northern Tool's store on Amazon because I'm a Prime member. The shipping was free and it wasn't built into the price. If you ever notice that about Amazon, a lot of times you think you're getting free shipping because you're a Prime member, but really what that means is a lot of the companies just increase the price to cover the shipping fees. So it is what, especially if it's not fulfilled through an Amazon fulfillment warehouse. So yeah, it came straight from Northern Tool, and I will throw in the prices. Like I said, it was over a month ago that I bought this setup, so I don't recall exact. I think it was around $150. This one is set up to be able to attach to a chainsaw with up to a 36-inch bar. I'm running this on an older, this was my dad's, one of his cutting saws. It's a 46, a Stihl Magnum, and its recommended maximum length is 32-inch bar. I could push it and put a 36, but I don't feel the need to push this old saw. And this will get what I need to get done. If I remove the dogs, I'd probably get about 26.5 inches of cutting, maybe a little bit more, 26 3/4 cutting area. With the dogs on right now, I'm getting about 25.5-inch cutting area. So it'll work for what I'm currently working on. I'd love to be able to cut biggers because I have one tree that's much larger. I'm trying to figure a way around with how I'm going to manage that. So anyways, I hope you found this useful. As mentioned, the links will be down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a great day.